Hey y'all, I am using 2 cans of green beans today. And I've got some dill pickles that I've cut into cubes. This is about 3 pickles or about like 10 of those stacker slices. Just a little bit of pepper. A little bit of salt. And I've got some fresh dill right here. We're gonna add that to actually amp up that dill pickle flavor. So good. Ooh, I love the smell of dill. To that, we're gonna be adding half a tub of sour cream. Let's go ahead and just grab half. And a can of cream of mushroom soup. That goes in there as well. See, comes out in one swoop. I'm gonna give this a mix. You guys are traveling for the holidays. Let me know where you're going. Are you going on vacation or are you visiting family? Don't know what you guys are doing for Christmas, but I would love to know. Okay, once this is combined, we're adding 3/4 of a cup of regular whole milk. Add that to this mix. Oh, this is so good. It smells like dill. Put this all together. You see these crispy dillies? They're so cute. They're kind of like potato chips, but they're made with dill pickles. Put a layer of that on. And some of those French fried onions. These are the garlic pepper ones. I love that they're coming so like flavored. Add that layer. And then this is gonna go into an oven, 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. Oh my goodness, the kitchen smells amazing today. I love a good green bean casserole. This one has dill pickle. I'll get right into it. I love a good dill pickle, so. Oh my gosh. Next time you make a green bean casserole, you have to make it this way. Pickles are amazing.